Sometimes it is necessary to swap the index levels as per the analysis requirement. Pandas provides a swap level method which will rearrange the order of the levels on an axis or sort the data by values in one specific level. By default, the swapping takes place on the row index levels. Let us see the docstring of the swap level method on DataFrame object. The docstring says that it swaps the levels I and j in a multi-index on a particular axis. By default, the axis is equal to 0. I and j, integer, or the names may be string, can be mixed. Level of index to be swapped, can pass level name as string. That means instead of integer names or integer labels, we can use strings as the level names. Let us take out the earlier data frame created for the illustration purpose. Let us swap the row index levels first. Here the row index levels are level 1 and value 2. The two row index levels now have been swapped, that is, value 1 and value 2 have been swapped, value 2 and value 1. Similarly, we can swap the column index levels by passing axis is equal to 1 and the column index level names, say for example number and color. So the number and color column index names or levels have been swapped. To sort the index level labels on a specific level, we can use sort_index method. Let us see the docstring of the sort_index method. The docstring says that it sorts the object by labels. It accepts the parameters axis is equal to 0 by default and level is equal to none. It is of our interest. By default it is none. And ascending is equal to true by default. In place is equal to false. And NA position is equal to last. It also accepts the by parameter. That means we can sort by using the values or with respect to the values. Here I would like to sort the row index labels on level 1, that the second level of rows multi-index. Notice that the level 1 row index labels have been sorted. Observe the value 2 row index labels. Here 1 2 1 2, here 1 1 2 2, and the corresponding labels on value 1 are also reordered. Let us sort the index levels with level 0, that is on the first index level of row's multi-index, here on value 1. Notice that the row index levels have been reordered to their original condition. We can apply sort underscore index on top of the swap level to get the sorted index of the swapped levels. Here, first I would like to swap the row index levels value 1 and value 2 and then sort on the level 0. Let us see what will be the result. Here, just after swapping, the value 2 becomes level 0 and value 1 becomes level 1. So, sorting on level 0 means sorting on value 2. Here, we got the sorted data frame on row index level value 2. This is how we can reorder and sort the hierarchically indexed data frame objects.